Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video, I'm going to show you how to hide what game you are playing in Discord. So as you can see here on the right side, it displays that I'm playing Roblox. So if you want to hide that, just click on user settings here and just scroll down below till you see the activity privacy under activity settings. Click on that and make sure that these two options are turned off. So there, just click on yes, click on escape, and after that, you'll see that there is no status here saying that I'm playing the game that I am playing. So, but here you can see that Roblox is still there, but don't worry since you're the only one who could see that, and no other person in the server or your friends that can see your status or what game you are playing. So if you found this video helpful, guys, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.